couldn't find my hat in my room.
Oh, that's too bad. Your Viking hat?
No, my purple hat.
Your purple hat? That's my favorite one on you.
I know.
Did you look in your closet?
Yeah.
There wasn't anywhere in there?
No.
What about on your hanger?
No.
Is it in the washing machine?
No.
Did you look in the dryer?
Oh, wait, I'll be right back. No.
Oh, that's too bad. Maybe it's in your bed somewhere.
I'll go look.
Okay.
Come look with me.
Okay.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Not in there either.
Golden bird, you silly bird. It's on your head.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. See, look.
Oh, I guess it is. I probably fell asleep with it on.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you. Thank you, Marchmellow, for helping me.
You're welcome, golden bird.
Do you do math?
Braces. And look, I even have a girlfriend. Look at my kissy mark. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, that was a good episode of AccessDentalBird.com.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for helping me find my hat.
You're welcome,
We will
golden
always
bird.
be best